Hello everyone, it's Ash Apple. In this video, I will be showing you how to make the most epic Caesar salad ever. But first, pause this video, subscribe, press the notification bell and leave a like. Now first, the ingredients. You need Roman lettuce, a lemon, some delicious farm boy creamy Caesar dressing, hashtag not spawn, some capers, a lettuce fidget spinner, a knife. No, a real knife. And finally anchovies. Just kidding, that tastes like crap. Now take your lettuce and cut the bad parts, which are the top and bottom parts. Then, use the most efficient way of cutting ever. Put the lettuce like that, and voila. Now, take all your little bits of lettuce and shove them in the fidget spinner. Then, give a bath to the lettuce in your sink, so you have a lower chance of getting viruses, bacteria, germs, parasites, and microscopic worms in your plate. Then, put the spinner in the bowl thing and put the lid on. After that, you just have to spin. When the lettuce is dried, dump it in a big bowl. After that, put a spoonful of capers and a lemon in the mix. The next thing you add before you mix is the dressing. After that, you put the final ingredient, anchovies. Just kidding again. The final ingredient is the croutons. Mix a bit and there you go, a delicious Caesar salad. Don't forget to like the video. Bye.